Petrainer PET916. I'll quickly go over what's in the box, key features, pairing the receiver to the transmitter, and how to operate your device.
I'm now going to show you what's inside the box when you receive it. So your remote transmitter, 2 collar receivers, 1 orange and then 1 black collar strap, just to make sure you don't get confused on which channel is to which receiver. Static or test light to test static shock. 2 sets of contact points for both. So you have 2 black sets, 1 for one and then 1 for the other. AC wall adapter for charging. Antenna, which screws into the top of your remote transmitter. And then this is a USB connector, which goes into the bottom of your AC wall adapter and then lets you charge both your remote transmitter and 1 receiver at the same time. And lastly, you have a product manual. When using a training collar, always remember to use it for training and not to leave it constantly on the dog, as these contact points on the receiver can cause injuries like bed sores, or we refer to it as pressure narcosis. So always remember to not use the training collar continuously like a normal dog collar, but just for training. Now I'm going to show you how to pair your receivers to your transmitter and then the functions. So we're going to start off by pressing the Y button on the transmitter. As you can see, it came on. So my first receiver, I'm going to turn on, and then I'm going to press and hold that power button that I just used to turn it on. You get a solid green light. Once you get that beep and the flashing light, you press the Y button on your remote, you get another beep and it's now paired. So that one's paired to channel 1. I'm now going to show you how to pair a second receiver to channel 2. So press the 1-2 button. I'm now on channel 2. Use the on and off button, turn on your second receiver, press and hold the power button, same thing. And then press the Y button and it's now paired. So the first function I'm going to show you is the vibration function. So press the Y button and our second receiver will beep, or will vibrate, and that's at a 98. So to adjust the stimulation level, like if you wanted to go lower or higher, use this dial on the side. So up to go higher and down to go lower, obviously. So 1-2, this is already on a 19. So now that I press the Y button, the first receiver should vibrate. As you can see, it does, and it's not vibrating as hard as it was for channel 2. So I'm now going to show you the static shock function. So this is a 98 actually on channel 1. So again, I use the mode button to switch the function, press the Y button to send the signal. As you can see, there's an orange light as I'm holding down the Y button. So I'm going to switch to channel 2, and this is on a 19 for static shock. So it'll be a little bit dimmer than what we previously saw. As you can tell, it's a little bit dimmer than it was on channel 1. So now I'm going to use the mode button again to switch the function. It's now on the light function. So when I press the Y button, that green light, LED light is flashing as I'm holding down this Y button. So I switch back to my first receiver, do the same thing. The green light is blinking as I'm holding down the Y button. To our last function, the beep function. So I press the Y button and the receiver beeps. Here's number 2. And basically, for the beep and the light function, you can't use this dial to switch the. You can't adjust the level. It will always be at 0. And that's it. I'm now going to show you the waterproof capabilities of the devices. Place them in the water. As you can see, the transmitter turns on, and the vibration feature is still working while in the water. Now I'll take them out and show you that they are working, after they've been in the water. That's the vibration function, and now I'll show you the static shock function. As you can see, everything's still working fine after they've been both submerged in water.
Thanks for your purchase of your new dog training system, the Petrainer PET916. I'll quickly go over what's in the box, key features, pairing the receiver to the transmitter, and how to operate your device.
I'm now going to show you what's inside the box when you receive it. So your remote transmitter, 2 collar receivers, 1 orange and then 1 black collar strap, just to make sure